show you a very common kanji in everyday life. Today's kanji is ラーメン作ろうっと。I'm gonna make ramen. これなんや？ Huh? What's this? 後入れ。後入れ means to put in later. This package is supposed to be put in right before you eat. 後 is also read as 後、後、後ろ、遅れる、尻。後 means back or behind. 後 struck order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ides E is also read as new, 10, 10, いる、入る、塩。入れ or 入る means enter, in, entry, or income. Ides E's struck order is 1, 2. なるほど。食べる前に入れるねんな。I see. I put this in right before I eat it. There are lots of kanjis used with hiragana called Okurigana. Ides re is also an Okurigana, and both letters represent the meaning of one word. It's kind of complicated, but you will get used to it after using them so many times. Okay, I hope you won't be confused while making Japanese cup noodles now. See you next time!